Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and we're going to be doing another and probably my last 4th of July DIY, but I know I've only done a couple, but I'm going to be using this garden stake. I absolutely love this truck, but I don't have a garden to stick things in. However, I do have some nuts or a candle or something that I could put in. So I wanted to make a nice little container with the truck. So let's go ahead and get started. As you know, these are brand new, small little stubby, cute little candle holders themselves, but I thought they would be great for holding up this and raising the level a little bit. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get out that new glue gun. Let's turn that on. How do I turn it on again? Oh, I hold it for a few seconds. Okay, there we go. I don't know how long it takes to heat up now that I'm thinking about it. Probably should have done that ahead of time. So what we'll do, poor planning, girl. We're gonna take this off the back, and all you're gonna do is you just kind of work with it and move it up and down. Try very hard to hold this as well. This one is actually already quite loose. Oh, there we go. And you just pull it out. Okay. There we go. Now I see a little bit of, do you see that? You do not want to stick yourself. So I'm just going to take my heavy duty, I don't even know what they are, shears, and cut that off a bit. And then somewhere along the line I have lost my fingernail file, but I could, it's okay. It's not actually not going to cut me, but if it were, I would cut that out. All right, let's see. I'm going to take the glue and I'm going to use some of the Fix-All because that's going to give it a permanent hold. But I want the glue, the other glue, for a quick hold. I do love that this is a continuous glue. That motor driven is something else. So I'm going to go ahead and flip that upside down. We're going to put that right in the center. And then give that just a second. And we're going to put this right down here. I just love this. But I think I'm going to have it right down at the bottom. Now you do not have to glue it. It could just be placed on there however you'd like. But I think, I'm thinking I want it to be a little higher. But then I also like it down below. I think I'm going to place it a little bit higher there. And then I'm going to use some of that twine that I had from yesterday just to get everything moved together. And I'm going to take some glue here. And somebody mentioned yesterday it looked like this glue gun does shut off on its own. And I'll tell you what, it does if you place it back on the charger. So I'm just gonna wrap this around, give it a nice cover here. And just cover that all up. And that glue will hold that in place. Since I have these scissors out, I'll go ahead and use them, although I don't think they're gonna, oh, they did. Did not think they were gonna cut. And make sure everything's tucked into that glue. And then I'm gonna take and wrap. I'm gonna do big wraps. As big as I can. I'm gonna wrap that around a bunch of times here. And I want this to be sticking out and about and around this, so I'm also gonna glue it to that truck as well. And I'm just putting some glue on different sides, making sure it kind of all sticks out. This is a low heat glue, so I'm very happy with that. And then I'm just going to spread it out so that it comes out and about. I know, this is one of those you gotta just trust the process, because if you don't trust the process, you're gonna end up overthinking it and not, enjoying the project. All right, so we've got that. Now, again, this is something that is going to have stuff in here, so I'm not worried about it not. Hold on. Gotta get some of these pieces. I am not worried about it being shown, because most likely I like to put like nuts and nuts out, so it'll most likely have nuts in there covering everything up. Now you can do this with this that I'm using here, the twine, or like little fairy lights would also be really cute. And I'm going to take that glue and I'm going to put it right on the front here, making sure that I have enough. Now remember, this is only going to last for the day. I'm not making it so that I have it all the time. It's only for my little get-together party to have a nice, fun. Look how cute that is. This part, though, I did glue that together, and that will be permanent, so I could switch this out and switch these little guys out. They are so adorable. And then I have another one of those little stakes with the gnome guy on it, and I will probably be doing the same thing in another one of these, so he would sit on here on a different one, so we'd have two. So all right, beauties, I hope you like it. I think it's really cute. Definitely some snacks will be going in there and give it another dimension of just playing with the Americana and the twine. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.